Okay, so you've depersonalized, you've decluttered, you've done a deep clean on your home. Awesome work. Next, we're going to look at patch and repair. As you've been doing your deep cleaning, or as you've looked back over the home after someone else has done the deep cleaning, you are probably going to notice little scratches, little dents, little holes and nicks in the walls. This is a normal thing that happens after you live in a home for any amount of time whatsoever. So your next step is going to be to go around with a little bit of spackling paste and patch those guys up. This is also a really good time to check the caulking around the edge of your bathtub, the edges of your showers. If you have any caulking around your sinks or your sink fixtures, you want to check on that too. It's very easy to get a tube of caulk and kind of patch those up so that those look nice and fresh. All of these little details that you're paying attention to and fixing are going to add up to show the buyer that you've done a really good job taking care of the home. And if you don't have the time to do this, or it's just not your thing, again, you can hire someone to do it. It's going to cost probably less than you would expect, and it'll save you a little bit of time. So that's your home staging tip for today. Go around, patch all those little imperfections, and you will be on the way to really impressing your buyers.